Microsoft's servers are suddenly down, causing problems for customers around the world. Blue screen of date BSoD error is coming on user screen. Due to this kind of error, people are facing problems like blue screen and showing recovery as soon as they turn on the laptop or computer. Because of this, people all over the world are suffering from this error. Actually, all these problems are caused by Microsoft's cloud service. The CloudStrict team working with Microsoft has acknowledged this issue. Also, the main cause of this problem has been discovered. It is also changing a lot. The customer does not need to do anything different to resolve this. Microsoft has also provided a solution for this. First of all, you have to open your Windows by safe mode or normally. You can also open Windows from bootable USB. You can see here my PC is opening normally. Now you have to click on this and go to the C drive. Open it and click on Windows. Now find System 32. Click on Drivers. Search here CrowdStrike and open this. Now find the C/00000291*=SYS. Sometimes these file symbols are changed * to X. Find this and delete it. Now close this all. Now go to the recycle bin and delete from here. Now delete this. Follow these steps, it will work 100%. Don't forget to subscribe to Sudarshan Tech Zone. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, subscribe and share.